Show us your sexiest dance move.
Alright, I'm gonna go for a slow tango kind of movement. Lots of the hips, a lot of hips. Kind of just feels like I'm grinding on Ashton, to be honest. This is kind of
It's very romantic. I feel like I'm interrupting. Okay, so Ashton, how do you act when you fancy a girl?
Look at this facial hair. Are you serious? I am so rugged. My eyebrows are perfect. Look at them. Look at them. Look at my green eyes. Do they strike you?
Which member of Five Stars do you think would make the best boyfriend?
I would have to say Callum.
And why is that?
He's just a great guy, you know. Callum, I mean, he's just, you know, all the qualities in a person. I mean, oh, what are these? Oh, these. Oh, these are nice. Oh, yes.
And what's your worst habit?
My worst habit would have to be tapping on things a lot.
Finally, tell us a secret about yourself that nobody knows.
What is the secret that nobody knows? I don't have a voice. Okay. I like to actually listen to the Wiggles when I go to sleep.
Who is your secret crush?
I think my secret crush would have to be Luke from 5 Seconds of Summer. I mean, he's just fabulous, and I really, really, really like him.
What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you?
I soil myself on a daily basis.
How does that make you feel?
I like it. I enjoy it. Usually. I mean, you know.
Give us your best impression of one of your bandmates.
Hey, going, I'm Ashton. Even though I look like Michael. Yeah, I play drums and I play like this. And yeah, I have curly hair.
What's the most embarrassing song you listen to before you go on stage?
Do you know the song by Earth, Wind & Fire, September? Do you remember 21st night in September?
Finally, can you describe She Looks So Perfect using only your hands and your face?
This is really, really hard. I don't know. She looks so...